6:36 today, just a few grains can kill, and Georgia law enforcement says that fentanyl is still showing up.
Now, a new law could mean harsher sentences on dealers. Faria Habrar joins us in the studio, or actually she joins us from the newsroom to break down what's changing and how it could save lives. Faria.
It's cheap, it's deadly, and it's flooding Georgia's streets, and we know it as fentanyl. It's one of the leading causes of overdose deaths. But now, a new state law aims to stop traffickers in their tracks. Let's take a look at the tough new law penalties and what local leaders are saying. After months of stepping up in the fight against fentanyl, one of the deadliest drugs on the street, Georgia's Fentanyl Eradication and Removal Act takes effect July 1st. Senate Bill 79 increases penalties for people caught trafficking the synthetic opioid. That includes anyone selling, manufacturing, delivering, or bringing fentanyl into the state. Get caught with 28 grams or just an ounce, and you could face up to 35 years in prison and a $750,000 fine.
2 milligrams being a lethal dose, we estimated that to be about 266,000 lethal doses of fentanyl taken off the streets.
Houston County District Attorney Eric Edwards says Central Georgia is no stranger to fentanyl's grip. In a 3-month operation last year, Houston County deputies seized more than 500 grams.
In terms of its prevalence here versus other counties, I wouldn't say that we've necessarily got more of it, but because we've got more people than a lot of surrounding counties do, we certainly have more cases.
State lawmakers hope these harsh penalties scare dealers away from selling fentanyl altogether. Some legislators say we could focus more on treatment than punishment, but supporters say tougher penalties will save lives.
You're talking about something that is so much more deadly than any other substance we regularly encounter. The penalty for its possession should be harsher, frankly.
Now, there's over 100 new laws going into effect tomorrow, so let's break down some of the new crime laws. HB 176 expands appeal rights in unresolved criminal cases, while HB 582 lets domestic violence survivors seek lighter sentences or resentencing. HB 199 protects judges' personal information, and HB 85 reforms how they're paid. SB 110 updates child neglect laws, and SB 132 speeds up mental health evaluations in court. SB 244 offers compensations for wrongful convictions, and HB 161 broadens cybercrime subpoenas and defines domestic terrorism. Megan, Raymond.
Alrighty, thank you so much, Fariha. Now, over 100 new laws are actually set to take effect tomorrow in our state, as Fariha said, including crime laws that Fariha broke down.